Italians discussing an Italian bike. Like only Italians can. I can hear another one. Watch the heads turn.
Vehicle orange, mate, takes all the cool out of biking. I think the way up, the wet gear.
I don't know.
Looking a knob.
Still attracted a bit of attention. The boys were happy. Italians. No, those three. This is what we got to put up with. Just getting the day glow made for you. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Show us the GPS agenda.
Right. Possibilities. We do. On day 5, I believe.
Yeah. Weather conditions?
Show on map.
Boy with umbrella. Good for that?
A lot easier than earlier. Torrential earlier.
Yeah.
No, from where we are. It's quite a basic, just a simple road all the campsite. I don't know, could be done for an easy option.
Right.